Okay, we're in Loudonville.
Yeah. We have a lot of cars behind us. Wonder where everyone's going.
Huh?
So we have a lot of cars behind us. I wonder where everybody's going.
I don't know. Only what, 4 cars? I'm gonna stop and get gas, or do you want to ride a little bit longer?
It doesn't matter.
We can decide what we want to do. That Mohawk and River Drive is south on State Route 3.
Yeah.
Sign said. I don't know if you want to do that or not.
I just want to ride, Roger.
So, all right. I don't know what the speed limit is.
I have no idea. I was thinking that too.
He's radaring. Okay, South 3, West 39. South 3 turns left. You want to go that way or what?
Yeah, it's fine.
There's a BP down there. I got 3 bars. Probably have to get gas before we leave here.
Looks like a little nice town.
That's what I was thinking, just right around here. Might find something to do. There's a little schoolhouse.
Yeah.
Baptist church. Church, yeah.
Uh-huh. Found produce there too.
And Mickey D's.
Jeez.
Mickey D's.